Today I'm here with the fantastic Volkswagen California Ocean to show you how to keep cool in summer. The first thing on our list on how to keep cool is opening windows. It's a simple one, but make sure when you open one window, you open the adjacent window too, so that it circulates the air through the vehicle, releasing the hot air and letting that cold summer breeze in. If opening the windows is not working, try what Volkswagen have already built into the vehicle. That's the reflective sunblind, which easily fold and retract like so. On the outside of the sunblind is a reflective surface, reflecting the sun's rays, keeping the inside of the car cool. Volkswagen have located those sunblinds all over the vehicle, as you can see here with the front windscreen. Next on the list is the awning. You need to make use of this as it extends to a generous size, creating lots of shade underneath, which is perfect for barbecues or just chilling out. It also utilises a material on top similar to that of the blinds inside the cabin, reflecting the sun's rays, keeping you cool underneath. Next up is the roof bed. Make sure when the roof is up that you unzip all of the mesh windows. This will let more cool air into the cabin, making you feel more relaxed. And if you still feel too hot after you've removed the side windows, try removing this front centerpiece, allowing all the hot air to escape and allowing the cool summer breeze to flow into the whole vehicle. And if all of those previous tips don't work, you can simply turn on the air conditioning. We hope this video helps. For any further details, please visit our website where you can find out more about the fantastic Volkswagen Ocean California. Thank you for watching.